there, and welcome back to another coping skill video. This one is called the 5-4-3-2-1. So let's start. Take a deep breath into your belly. And start by looking around you in your environment. Let's begin by naming 5 things that you can see. How about 4 things that you can feel? Now name 3 things that you can hear. How about 2 things that you can smell? And finally, what is one thing that you can taste right now? Okay, thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video.